Okay, then let's start. We will make a game, proof game. Something weird game. Just a minute. There's some problem in here. Okay, then now okay. Okay, in this game, you should avoid the polling proofs. Let me show the example of the sample solution. Then you can understand what is the game. I will stop my screen sharing. Okay, this is my sample answer. I will run this. Okay, there are some polling proof, right? Then as you can avoid the proof, the score is increased, and as you can see, the location or the speed of proof is randomized. But I think in the Zoom screen sharing, there may be some delay for showing. So, but it works well in my computer. So if you make the game successfully, then you can see the smoothly polling through. Okay, right? And then if you if some proof collides with your character, then it shows the message game over, as you can see here, right? And then the game is terminated, showing the score. Okay, I think it is sufficient to let you know what is the game. So I will stop my screen sharing. Okay, let's go back to the slide. Anyway, so what should we do for making this game? First, it contains some randomization, such as the initial location of proof and period of proof generation, or speed of polling, or something else, right? And to make a number, a random number, you can import the random library and use random.randint function. It returns random integer between the start and the end. I will explain just later. Okay, and then your character should be able to move by pressing left key and right key, right? As the Jongmin covered just before. And the detailed implementation is in the pre-class and exercise. And so I think it is good to refer to this, although I will explain this again in the lab session. Okay. I just uploaded the skeleton code and some image to make your game. You can download this in our page. I will download it together. Anyway, in the skeleton code, the proof is defined as a class, as you can see, and the proof should be generated with some random period. Also, it pulls continuously because of the gravity until it drops to the ground, right? And then if the proof and character collide with each other, then the game will be over, right? Okay, so we uploaded the skeleton code and some images to the page. I will go to there together. And don't forget to save the file in your project directory, like this. Okay, that's 4. So just a minute, I will go to my page. Okay, let's go to our page. You can go to the section 4, and I just uploaded the skeleton code and some images. It is compressed by zip or tar. You can choose anything what you want, and you can download this like this, and you can decompress by using the compression tool, right? So I will break about 2 minutes to wait you're downloading the skeleton code. Then I will prepare the environment to proceed the lab session. Okay, so if you failed to download, then let me know. Or I will upload the file in the chat box. Just a minute. I just downloaded 4 files, 3 image and 1 Python skeleton file. So you can download and store these and in your project directory. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I think you guys have done, maybe. Is there any problem in preparing the environment? Okay, I think that's very well. Where is it? Oh, here. You can see the following the skeleton code, right? Before we start, I will briefly explain about the skeleton code. First, as I said in the lab session PPT, I defined the class foo like this. And then you can use PyChem-init. And I just loaded some, sorry. I think there is some mistake in the skeleton code. Can you remove this asset like this? You can just use just a file name without any other path. I will write in the chat box. Okay, I will announce again. In this part, you have to change the file name to like this without asset, and make sure that the image is in the same directory in the PyChem. I will move this. Okay, then okay, so you can make some image, character and background and foo in the same directory with the skeleton, right?
Hello, we get an error in line 1. Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
so
Hello.
Okay.
Is that an error?
Oh, sorry. Actually, I cannot hear.
Yes, there's an error in line 1.
Sorry, I cannot hear something because of my earphones problem. Can you check the problem in the chat box?
I can't get. Okay, you finish.
If you have any question, Jongmin will hear your voice and okay.
Can you ask again?
But it's supposed to be colored orange, but could you add a random to the she's not looking at she watch here.
It's correct. It's correct.
It's not correct.
It's not correct.
Oh, okay.
Actually, it is a skeleton code, and it can. it is not completed, so we should complete this. So I think we can start now because there seems we have not enough time. Just a minute. Okay, then let's start. So I will briefly explain how the code is working. Okay, we can load some image by this. We already downloaded, right? And what is chat? Frank, it is not completed code because we should complete this directly. As you can see, there is no body, right? So we have to fill. Okay. Okay. It is about image processing, just resizing, and we can set the display like this and initialize the clock, and we can use something different method to move the rectangle, and the initial rect is here. It is the bottom side of the display because the display is like this. Okay, and PUM list is the list of PU currently resides, and it is just a simple event handling for quitting the program. So, like Jongmin covered, we will make a moving by keyboard. Okay, then let's start. First, okay, if we press key, so kick down, then we should move like this. If event type is equal to Pygame, kick down. Oh, I think the screen seems very weird. Now it is okay, right? Okay, then we should check which key is pressed. So if event key equal Pygame K on the bar left, then I will change the to move list. It stands for X and it stands for Y. It is like a delta X and delta Y, the change of the X and Y. Okay, then I will change the to move and each first element 0 equal move equal -3, and if event key is Pygame K right, then you should go to right, so the X coordinate will be increased, right? So I will use another method to move because I want to move smoothly. If event type is part game key up, and if event key equal part game k left, then to move 0 and to move 0 plus 3. And if the event key equal pipe game k right, then to move 0 equal to move 1 minus 3. So in this way, we can holding your key press, then you can move the character continuously. Okay, I will show the example again, the sample solution. Sorry, the screen should be like this. Okay, this is a sample solution. Your skeleton does not working yet. If we press the key continuously, then it can smoothly move, right? So it is more advanced version of moving. Okay, so I will implement this, and this was the smooth moving implementation. Okay, then let's continue. Okay, then the character should be moved, and we have not to go over the border. So I will use like this. If 0 my right to move 0 0 and my plus my rect W. Oh, what is that? Eric,
For now,
there
I'm also trying to
something
understand.
what you want to say, because I cannot hear. So please chat in the chat box if there are some issue. Can you tell me in the chat box? I cannot hear. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. So we should continue the character moving. Okay. So it should not be greater than the screen's width, so I will use the screen dot get width, and we can move then my left. We can use move method. It can be move x and y direction, so we can use like this. Then it can move x direction with to move 0. Okay, then we implement the character moving. Okay, then we should generate the proof, but it will be easy. Because the proof, there are too many proofs, then the game will be difficult. So I will randomly generate the proof by using random landed function. And int. Okay. This function is returns a number between 1 to 100. So this code will be executed with 3% chance. So I will add some proof generating code in here. I will append some proof in the proof list. Append proof. It is initializer proof. And the proof is one parameter, has only one parameter, x. It is the generated location. So I will randomly generate the proof from random int from 0, about 600, because the screen width is screen size is 400, right? Okay, so and then I will make a background image by using bleed function. You may use the bleed function in the exercise. I will bring the image. I define the background image like this, BG. So we can use bleed like this. Okay, then I will draw the character. We define the character like this. Just use the variable character by using screen bleed character. And it should be in the my left, because it stands for the character's location as we implemented. Okay. So generative proof is over and show background and character is over. Then now we can make the proof to poll, right? I will traverse the proof list because I should drop the all proof, right? So I made a method for. It is very simple method. When we call this method, then the proof is poured into the ground by using the speed. So just use this I.4 with some random speed. I will use random landint from 1, 10. Okay, it is random speed. And I want to show the proof image. So use split function like background and character. I already defined the proof image by name. The name is this proof image. Okay. So we can use proof image and in the proof class there is a rect. It stands for the rectangular corresponding with the proof. So we can use this directly. So okay, I will implement the last remaining things in the last, and I will score. I will increase the score as the time goes. So it is very simple. Score plus 1. Okay, right? And I want to show the score to the game screen. So I will use the font level function. The font is defined in the here default font. So I will use this. So I will name the rendered text as a score text. Is default font dot render. I will use the string as score colon plus string score and true and what is the okay. The color is black, and then I will delete this score text. Score text 1,1. Oh, sorry, it is a typo. We should have screen split function, right? Okay, then it is over, and we should flip and update the display. So use Pygame display flip, and then we can tick the clock. Okay, that's for not all, but almost done. Because we didn't implement this part yet, we should handle the collision between character and proof, right? But it may work except the colliding with character. So I will try to learn. But note that this is not all for proof game. Oh, sorry, I had a mistake. What happened? To move my rect W. Sorry, it is not my rect directly, just X, because we want it is the middle point of the middle X point of the my rect, right? So please change the code like this with my rect dot X. Okay, then I hope that's fine now. So, oh, it is very hard. Oh, I did not. You may show. You may not see the screen. There is just some problem. Oh, I think I just had a mistake. Let me show what happened. Oh, there are two past proof, right? Right? So I will fix it. Okay. But almost done.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay.
Above.
So I will implement the remaining things. Collision handling. So if my leg is collided with the proof, any proof, so I dot left. Collide with. Then the game should be over. So Pygame dot quit and show the last score like this. Game over. Your total score is and score. And then we can exit the program. Okay, then we should echo one more thing. When we drop the when the poop drop the ground, then it should be removed. So if I left 1, it is y coordinate, is over 600. Then we can remove the poop from the poop list by using remove method. And then we can delete this by this. And then we can continue. Then I think it seems no need to continue. So anyway, I think it is almost done. Okay. You should clock. You should set the clock tick as something appropriate number. I will use 60, but you can change this by your preference. So I will run this. I hope there is no error. I really hope. So let's run. Oh, very good. I think there is some lag in the shared screen, but if you make the program correctly, then the move will be very smooth. Okay, right? And I will collide with the proof intentionally. Oh, okay. So the console shows the message, game over, your total score is blah blah, right? I think you need some time to understand and write this code. So I will show this, and I will upload the sample code in here. I will upload this in the chat box. Just a minute. I think the code is too long to show at once. Anyway. Osei, I think just a minute. You can have some too fast problem in when you inappropriately set the clock tick like this. I think you can set the clock to 30 or 60. Then it may be better, I think. Or you can change the for speed like this. Then did you fix the problem? Oh, that's good news. You're welcome. And if you have some error or something else or question, then let me know in the chat box. Then I will help you as much as possible. Okay. So you can see the sample example, sample solution in the chat box. I just downloaded. So if you complete this, then can you let me know? I want to know how many you guys success the lab session. Oh, very good, Jose. Very good job. Okay, Papa. Can you capture your code and upload this in the chat box? And it will be better to when you upload the error message too, because to debug, I need some error message. Okay. Okay. During this, I will play the game. Oh. Oh, I had a mistake. It is unnecessary information, but this background image is made by me. I'm not good at drawing. Thank you. And the characters image and tube is just a copyright-free image. Also, you can modify the program to make the game more funny. For example, this game does not increase the difficulty of the game, right? So, Frank, this is good. I just downloaded the skeleton code in the chat box. You can see the left underbar skeleton.py. I will really upload this. It is completed the sample solution. Then, just a minute. Oh, okay. Okay, so first you can change the difficulty by changing the range of speed. I think it can be doubled or tripled like this. Then the food may be fast. Oh, too fast. Oh, or it may be inappropriate value. How about this? Oh, it is hard. Or you can make generate more proofs in. Oh, okay.